Chinese economy is doing great. They find a very innovative way to develop not only their economies, also contribute to the global economies in different areas. If I talk about the digital economy, electric cars, reducing the carbon emissions and contribute for the global prosperity with their new inventions, with their new ideas, with their new philosophies, which really help the world to regain the confidence and to get back to the regular process of industrialization, regular process of the development of human race, and for a sustainable world.
China's breakthrough in technology is amazing. Today, China is the main country advancing on the path of what we call energy transition. The three core issues, electric vehicle, solar power, and batteries, China has put itself in the clear driving seat of these core technologies. And Africa, developing countries and Africa can leapfrog. They can leapfrog to clean energy. And China's willingness and openness to collaboration can be a major factor in leapfrogging to cleaner energy, in leapfrogging to green development, leapfrogging in preserving the world, the climate.